And here you go, guys. Yep, another F-150. Brand new tires in the back. Yes, the ride has improved. Sorry about that trash truck, but the ride has improved. As Junior has noticed it the first time we pulled out. And now we are doing an oil change. And we are going full synthetic. I have 199,000 miles on this. And what's that say? 5W20. Well, I am giving a 5W20, but I'm going full synthetic. Can't even talk this morning. It's gonna be a heat wave here, 100 some odd degrees. The oil came out, and only 3,000 miles, and it was pitch black. So I'm just, I'm changing it. I don't care. Keeping it clean. All right, let you know what happens later. We're live. We're live. All right, Motorcraft. This is a 302 in there. Takes FL500S, which I do not understand, because my 1990 is a 302, and it takes an FL1A.
Your van is a 351, takes a FL1A,
which is a big filter. I do that. Oops. There we go. We coat the
seal,
the gasket, seal, whatever, with some fresh oil, and we're going to go install it. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Here we go, folks. Installing it.
I'm not even installing, cleaning it.
Oh, sorry. He's cleaning.
Am I close?
Yeah. You'll feel it. Don't worry. Got it? Right, there you go. When it makes contact, give about a half a turn with the hand. You might want to use the towel, since it's. I see your fingers are wet, and so is the soap. Huh? Use the towel.
Don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Yeah. It's tight.
Tight. And that's how you install it. Check the oil pressure there and see what happens.
It's normal.
Do you have pressure?
Yeah.
All right. There. Show our beloved followers how many miles is on there.
Got oil pressure. 199,036.5 miles.
All right. Go check to see if there's any leaks.
Yeah.
Go check. Check it. Check with that.
Okay. We are now going to check to see if we have any leaks. I don't see any leaks coming from the oil filter or the oil pan. So, we are good.
Yeah. Later, folks.